Welcome to Motorcycle News Channel. The all-new Royal Enfield Himalayan might be a viable option for riders short on inseams and bank balances, boasting a 411cc single-cylinder motor, reasonable off-road ability, and an accessible MSRP of just $4,499. Thanks to production in India at Enfield's home base, reclaims the Himalayan scales in at 421 pounds wet. The Himalayan occupies a unique space in the lightweight adverb market, with its 411cc single-cylinder engine out-cubing the 250cc mini DVs from Japanese manufacturers, such as Honda's new CRF 250L Rally, $5,899. and Kawasaki's reborn KLX 250, $5,349, and its recently introduced twin-cylinder Versys X300, $5,399. The new Enfield also has a larger engine than the 313cc single in BMW's G310GS, also built in India by TVS. But the Himalayan's motor is built more for durability and drivability than outright performance. Enfield claims a maximum of just 24.5 horsepower delivered at 6,500 revolutions per minute, nearly 27% fewer ponies than the Beamer's 33.5 horsepower claim at 9,500 revolutions per minute. The Himalayan will retail for $4,499 when it hits American dealers in the summer of 2018.